Looks like there was a problem with our broadcasting, so we'll continue on here. Broadcasting, so continue on here. So we'll still have troubles with finding the slimes, but what we're going to do now, I think, is work on some pistons and go from there. We're going to need some more materials for this. First, it looks like it's almost nighttime. And you do that first and then go back in. Looks like we just need some more wood to actually go ahead and build our pistons, so let's go ahead and take a look. We had to work on some books, it looks like, as well as finish up some other items as well. What are the odds of that? Destroy the pumpkin, it comes right back. Don't think I've seen that in a while. Convert this birch into a fence. That's kind of what we need a little bit more of. as well. Doesn't look like everything's dropped yet. Perfect. Barn's all built out now. Oh, including some friends. Nice. Did not expect him in there, but that's alright. We can fix his little wagon. There we go. So we're going to need some more lighting in here. And some more half slabs to get this to work like we want it to. We'll use this as a storage area up here. Once we get all the sheep in and everything else. Take the wood somewhere else. That's kind of it for now. We're just starting out. Still got a lot to do. Oops, I forgot to do that part first. get a supply building built next. I think that's going to be my next building I'll have to build. So we'll work on that next time. This is good enough for this episode, and the next episode we'll work a little bit more on looks like some of the video quality issues. We'll see what we can tighten up with that, as well as build a supply depot. I think building probably out here would probably be perfect for us with all the supplies we need all laid out. Maybe even actually in the barn might make more sense for us to do that. Till next time, catch you guys later.